Taufolo guys, welcome back to another episode here on the channel. Today we are going to cook some breadfruit. So I'm thinking might cook some stuff may maule, may maulule, le palam, ko ulu ilalole faonga. So we might look at fishing a kung ulu, or maybe a kaufolo, or maybe even both. That's the beauty of it. So hope you guys enjoy the content today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. Catch you guys soon. I think this ulu is called sango sango. As you can see there. Yeah. May maungai ulu. And before faunga is me fai. So yeah guys. Now we need to find the low. Alright fam, so just a quick change of plans. We're gonna head to the cattle farm first. The mo siakipo maka may dos ka ko lowi o dei maselo wi so ba ingira ang ale may ngi ka ko ro dei ro le ngi do. So yeah, we'll head to the cattle farm first, check on the cows, but also the plantation, and then grab a load and we'll come back. So we're just gonna pop inside here. It looks like there's a lot of straight trees that we can probably use to get the load. Now it's just finding the right one. Alright guys, I think we found our low. It's very nice and tall while we were in the back there. So if you see, there's one right there. I'm trying to pin the knife. Very nice and straight. Look at that, so straight all the way to the top. So we're gonna get that.
Mga ano mingo. Mga ano mingo. Mga ano mingo. Ku lo mas fal pikun.
Alright, so we're just gonna set down the low here while we head down to the cattle farm and check the plantation. Show you guys Roy's new plantation, then we'll come back. Alright guys, so we're finally here at the cattle farm. I think the cows are just on the other side, so I think we won't pour some water. We'll just wait for them to come towards the evening. Show you guys the plantation now. So this is the plantation that Loy and the boys have been planting. I think we've made it all the way up to halfway now. Some of the new taro here. So it's very nice. One of the things I was really proud of with this plantation was that it was only Loy and the boys that did it. So from the beginning, clearing the land, then putting up the electric fence, bringing in the cows cleared the grass, and then continued on all the way up to planting now. So that was really good of Loy and the boys to do that, and just saves money from bringing in workers to use their school holidays. So it was really nice to see this, and it just goes to show getting the kids involved with farming is really fun as well. So we've got a little bit more left on that end there, but most of this area has now been planted. But yeah, we'll head home now and get started on the ulus. Alright fam, so finally got our load. What we did was just add a bit of a foul here so that we can clip the base of the ulu, and then yeah, we got our ulu. We'll start off with this low-hanging fruit here. Okay, doido. Right, so we'll try and get maybe 4 or 5 more, and then should be done. Because I was gonna cut it short again, but now that the heavy side is the one we're using and it's still fresh,
Parang pauwi mo.
Alright fam, so we're gonna get started on the coconuts first. Alright guys, so just a bit of an update. We've already thrown in about 6 or 7 rocks, and then we're just getting the fire up to heat at the moment, so you guys can see there. And then once that's done, we'll start popping in the breadfruit and then roasting it with the skin. So yeah. Alright, so we just popped on the ulus on top. It's nice and hot now inside, but we're going to pop it on top and then cover it with the coconut husks, and then fan the flame again until it's nice and hot. So we're just about ready now. Ulu is almost cooked thoroughly, and then we're gonna start the whole. So we're gonna do the not only the kaufolo, but just kungu ulu as well for tonight's dinner. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're finally finished now. We're just dishing out into portions. Very nice. Got our kungu ulu here for tonight with the miki and elengi. But now we're just gonna enjoy the gofo. Hope you guys enjoyed our content today. Definitely we'll do more of this because so we'll keep on doing this every chance we get. But for now guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. We'll definitely catch you on our next episode. Until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. See you guys soon.